Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best wood routers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best wood routers. A router is a hand tool or power tool that a worker uses to route an area in relatively hard material like wood or plastic. Routers are mainly used in woodworking, especially cabinetry, and are typically handheld or fastened with the cutting end up in a router table. Number 5. DEWALT DWP611 Pack 1.25 horsepower wood router. Its 1.25 horsepower max torque variable speed compact router combo kit with LEDs has a 1.25 horsepower motor. Main features: soft starting motor features, adjustment ring, allows up to 1.5 inches of depth travel. Number 4. Bosch 2.5 horsepower wood router. It has wide base openings and 2 inches sub base openings and provides better visibility, right or left. Switch, location, dust sealed power switch, contoured soft grip handles. Main features: variable speed dial, easy to keep bit, fixed base has threaded. Number 3. Makita RT0701CX7 1.25 horsepower wood router. It has high visibility base design for improved handling, and the performance base can be removed quickly to install other bases. Main features: variable speed. Features a slim and ergonomically quick and easy bit. Number 2. DEWALT DW618B3 2.25 horsepower wood router. It has a powerful motor for routing through tough hardwood at the user's desired speed. Comprises fixed, plunge and D-handle bases. Main features: electronic variable speed, 95% of the dust, and provides fast and easy motor. Number 1. Bosch Colt Palm Grip PR20F 1 horsepower wood router. Easily move the motor from base to base with a quick clamp system to work on other areas of your project. Variable speed Colt kit has a palm grip. Main features: the PR20F variable speed, soft start reduces, easily move the motor. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.